Hi, this is Prashant, and now we are continuing on second part of recruiting. That is, what is the role of the US IT recruiter? If you want to become a US IT recruiter, any graduate like BCom, BA, BSc, BCA, MCA, BTech, MTech, all type of also you can consider civil, mechanical. From any graduation, people can come into US IT staffing. So before going to US IT staffing, just you should know what is the role of US IT recruiter. So to start with, the first role of IT recruiter is manage the entire life cycle of the recruitment process for clients in the US. Work closely with the recruiting leads and hiring managers. If you are working for any staffing organization, then every recruiter has to report to recruiting leads and hiring managers in US. So hiring managers are client managers and recruiting leads are the internal recruiting leads in our organization. So recruiting leads will assign us the requirement and recruiter has to work on them. Work on strategic global hiring programs. Source people for different IT requirements. Source candidates. Source means search the candidates from Dice, Monster, Career Builder, TechFetch, Indeed, LinkedIn, and other free job boards. Screen the resume as per client requirement. Means client has given some specific requirement, means specific skills which you have to match with the candidate resume. If candidate is having required skills, call the candidates and screen the candidate in detail. Negotiate on the rate part. So what is rate? In most of the US requirement, the positions are contract, and in the contract positions, we have to consider the hourly pay rate. In India, we think about salary for monthly basis, but in US, whenever we talk, we have to consider as hourly pay rate. So negotiation is one of the skill every recruiter should have. So we should negotiate on the pay rate with every candidate. Get all the necessary information from candidate like their work authorization means visa copy, then DL copy with other details. Get updated resume from the candidate. That is also very much required because a lot of candidates don't update their resume on the job boards and the other resources. So you should always check their current employment and what is there in the resume to avoid submission of resume. The old resume you cannot submit to the client. So you should always check what is his current, who is his current employer or company, and check it in the resume. Is it the same or not? If not, then check with the candidate. Tell them to send you the updated resume. Also, after getting that, you have to format the resume and then send it to your business development manager. Now you can submit that resume to your business development manager, and that business development manager will submit that resume to client after screening it. Business development managers are having very good experience. They know what client is looking for, and if the candidate is the correct match as per skill, as per in the rate range, then they will submit that resume to the client. This is the process of submission. Thank you. In next video, we will see how US recruitment process works. Thank you.